Okay, what we're going to be talking about today is economics. Okay? Economics is the study of how individuals, businesses, and nations make things, buy things, spend money, and save money. Here's a couple of big definitions. Goods. Goods are things that people make. Then there's services. These are things that people do for others. Within economics, there are three fundamental questions. What should be produced? How should it be produced? And who should get it? Types of economic systems. This is how the fundamental questions get answered. Our first one is traditional. The three questions are answered according to tradition. It determines the what, the how, and for whom. Production of goods is based on customs and time-honored methods. Things are owned by family or villages, produced to meet the needs of the tribe. Within this economic system, this is where you will find subsistence agriculture, which is agriculture where you grow just for you and your family, or cottage industry, where it's small development of product inside of the home, one at a time. Then we have free enterprise. This is the one that we are most familiar with. Also known as capitalism or free market system. Within this system, people are free to produce whatever they want and buy what they can afford. The three questions are answered by the interplay between the consumers, who are the buyers, and the producers, who are the sellers. Okay? Within this group, most industry is commercialized. You will have commercial agriculture. Within commercial agriculture, that's where you have agriculture for the masses, for the population. You're not just developing crops just for you and your family. You're doing it to sell for a profit. The same thing in commercial industry. You're not just making items just for yourself or to sell in a small community. You're doing it in mass quantities, in big numbers, large numbers for the population. Our next economic system is communism. Most people think that communism is a form of government, but it is actually a form of economic system. This is a large misconception. This is a form of economic system. All major decisions within this economic system on production, distribution, and the use of the resources are made by the government leaders. This is where the misconception comes in. This is why communism is always construed as a government. It's actually an economic system. Within their system, their main belief is that this is done for the good of society as a whole. And then we have socialism, our fourth economic system, in which the most important business producing goods like mines, factories, airports, government services are owned by the government rather than by individuals. Okay? This is similar to communism, but not all of the decisions are made by the government. In reality, though, most economies are mixed. Mixed is a blending of the four economies, either two or more of the economies. Within all of these economies, all the countries can be classified along a spectrum from communism to free enterprise. This is over economies, and hopefully this will help you on the EOC. Good luck.